Your big ideas deserve more than a pop-up. So we build a dedicated space for you. Xmind AI is now an immersive workspace to think, create, and map with AI. Everything you need to start with AI, all in one place. Choose a subject, pick a template, and enter your ideas. Xmind AI will generate a mind map that matches your thoughts with the template's layout, style, and structure. There's over 100 templates across 8 major themes, so you have no more worries about formatting or style. Not sure what to put inside? Modes and prompts are ready to guide you. Pick a mode that fits your task: work breakdown, to-do list, or pitch video. Xmind AI will suggest a prompt to get you started. Just fill in the details and let it build the map. And as you build, everything stays visible. Everything stays yours to control. Upload a file and see it preview right inside the input box. Switch between fast and thinking mode without leaving your flow. Everything stays in view as you build. Your remaining credits live right at the top, so you always know what you have left. Xmind AI is no longer just a sidebar tool. It's your creative partner, always here, always ready. Try the new Xmind AI Workspace now.